Isn't that amazing? We're doing great. Now, most of the time when I'm in a live audience, I get to ask how many people would be happy if this was the marketing and sales report. And a lot of people are like, yeah, it looks pretty good. Got some really good numbers there. Oh, shnikes. This is definitely an oh shnikes moment because finance gets up and says, no, this is our worst year ever. Marketing and sales, you have no idea what you're doing. I don't know where you got your data, but it is wrong. Here are the financials. We are screwed as a business, right? So, Liz, building dashboards, how many times after you build the dashboard does someone say, oh no?
You know, one of the things about building out dashboards and bringing all the data together, especially when you're integrating this uh, all of these impressions numbers and inbound lead numbers and things like that with the final finance reports, is that you're finally seeing how those two things impact one another, and you can start seeing the trends of all the different segments. So we actually get that response a lot of people seeing some sort of confirmation that this thing that they thought was true all along might not be exactly what they thought it was.